Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you what to do when there is a clicking sound when you push a key. So for example, this key, there is a clicking sound. You hear that? For example, this one doesn't have any clicking sound. And this one has a clicking sound. It's a very small sound, but it can be very stressful for pianists that have a very good ear. So this is due to a spring mechanism behind this key, and I will show you. So let's open it up. So this is the mechanism of the spring behind the key, and as you can see, we have pulled this little spring out from underneath this mechanism. So this here is a bit sticky, so they added some lubricant to it, and that's the reason why it gives this sound. So we just remove the lubricant a bit, and then we will put it back underneath it. So this is underneath that one. This we have pulled out, cleaned it a bit, and we will now push it back underneath it. And let's see what happens when we have fixed it. All right, we have put back the spring underneath the key mechanism, and now let's try it again and see if the clicking sound is gone. You can hear? The sound is gone. So this is how you fix the clicking sound when you push a piano key. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.